Congratulations on being named the new Sensor Officer. You are responsible for locking onto crystals and enemies, scanning new map sectors, and breaking enemy locks on your ship. Locks help your weapons do more damage and are required for tractor beams to try to grab something. You can also get super locks, which greatly enhance the effectiveness of your torpedoes and tractor beams. All of these actions require sensor points. You generate sensor points by selecting tiles with the right shape out of the bag by feel alone. For each energy that you receive from engineering, you have the possibility of generating one sensor point. During Step 2, draw a number of sensor target cards equal to the energy you received and decide how to place them on the display. If you try to affect an enemy ship or crystal, place the card representing that item in one of the 3 target slots. You then place the target cards below it. If you want to scan map tiles, place one or more target cards under the sector scan section. The chart on the sensor display shows how many sensor points are required for different actions. For example, getting a lock takes 1 sensor point, and getting a super lock takes 3. Here, you have placed the cruiser card in slot A and the green crystal in slot B. You also have a lock from a prior turn on the crystal. You receive 4 energy from engineering, so you'll be able to assign 4 target cards. You decide to try to get a lock on the cruiser, which takes 1 sensor point, and upgrade the lock on the crystal from a lock to a super lock, which takes 2. You place the 4th target card under sector scan, which will let you place a new map tile. When the sand timer is turned over to start Step 3, you will need to find the matching shapes for your target cards. When you pull a piece out of the bag, you need to place it on one of the cards. If it matches a target shape, place it on that card. Otherwise, place it on the card of your choice. So at most, you can pull a number of tiles equal to the number of target cards. During Step 4, you check to see how many target cards you successfully matched and place lock or super lock tokens, break enemy locks, or place new map tiles on the board. You successfully matched the target card under the cruiser, so a lock token is placed. But you only matched 1 out of the 2 shapes on the crystal, so you cannot upgrade the lock to a super lock. Your sector scan was successful, so you place a map tile in an unexplored location. Once you lock an object, it will stay locked from turn to turn. Super locks, however, turn back into regular locks at the end of the turn, so you need to take advantage of them the turn you gain them. Good luck on your mission.